G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a look at changing the cartridge in the Alkaway Ultrastream Water Filter. Okay, now as you can see, we've got a benchtop model here. Under sink model is exactly the same, except it hasn't got the cap on the top and the hose is just going up to the faucet. All right, but same process. Okay, here's a little booklet that comes along. This is the box that the new cartridge will come in, and you can have a little read in there. It's very easy, and I'm sure that you're going to pick it up just by us having a bit of a look at it here today. All right, so basically is step one, we're just pulling the nozzle off the top. Step two, just got the little top black cap, stainless steel cover, and then we're basically down to the filter and the bottom base. Okay, so I guess that's one of the good things with a Ultrastream is when you change the filter, you're almost changing the whole change the cartridge, you're almost changing the whole filter. As you can see, it's just very easy, and that just screws off. So that's it there. There's your replacement filter, your replacement cartridge for the Ultrastream. Okay, brand new and in the box here. We'll just take it out the box, same thing, thread on the bottom, make sure the O-ring's on there, which it always will be. Basically just put it in and we're screwing him on. They go on very easy to change. When you screw him up nice and firm. Nothing too ridiculous, but you want it firm. Stainless steel cover on the outside. Cap clicks into place. Top's on, okay? Obviously it's either connected to the kitchen sink spout or you go and connect it to the spout now, but when you turn it on, you do need to flush these, and you need to flush them well, all right? There's a lot of mineral in there, it's quite a large size, and that mineral's creating hydrogen, etc. There'll be a fair few fines in it just from bouncing around and when the product was created. So when you get it, turn it on, just a gentle flow rate, but let it run at least 10 minutes, and if you're still having any dramas, 20. Obviously these products here, they create very high alkaline water, all right? They're great for cancer patients and stuff, that people that need the high alkaline water, and they definitely do achieve that. But in doing so, they create a lot of energy, a lot of hydrogen in the water. And what you'll find is that they need to vent, okay? If yours is an under sink system, you'll notice it's the vented faucet on that system, and that's how they've got to be. They've got to be able to release the pressure, or basically they'll blow up. So they're vented faucet for under sink. This bench top here just vents itself. So you'll find when it's brand new cartridge, might get a little bit of water dribbling out of the faucet here to start with, but as you use it over the next few days, it should settle down to a dribble and a drip, and then eventually stop properly for you. But don't be surprised if you get a drip out the end of this style system, because they do create so much energy, okay? But good filter, good high alkaline water. Thanks very much.